All right, folks, here we are a few minutes later. We now have the Fly 9K. So the short version with the piston and everything is only like 5 ounces or so on there. You don't really notice it on the end. It's pretty trick. Once again, ammo's 165 stealth. Let's do this. We'll do the K version of the 45 after this. Curtis is going to call out that far left mic number. So it's smaller, but
ready?
About the same.
137.7.
Smaller hole.
Ready?
There's the boss.
138.1. Ready? 138.5. Ready?
I think that's going to...
137.6.
So 137, 138, I think that's about where the 45 can will be, because we've done...
The short 45 can be almost the same.
Yeah, I think the K is going to be about the same, because we've done this before. I just didn't have it on video, so here we are. Again, we have to switch out the pistons. Sorry for the delay, but I have one. Let you see Curtis.
See all that? Yeah.
So not a bad day's work. We come in here, we have 40 to 60 mile an hour winds outside, but we can get shit done in here. So we have developed the Magnus in here. We did the Fly 9 and the Fly 45 in here, not the 50 can. What happened, Crooked? You got it?
Got it.
All right. Here we go. Fly 45, again, we're going to call out the left side microphone. We will have the right and the shooter's ear numbers. Probably just back up a little. Yeah, there we go. We'll get some more testing.
Ready? .138.
138, yeah, it's about what we expected.
Ready? .135.1. Ready? 137.8. Ready? 136.4.
A little better today. It must have got quieter
Ready?
rounds.
136.2.
So pretty similar, maybe a little better on that string. Okay, we did bring the Obsidian with us, because I don't know if I have a 45 though, but we have a couple cans. We're gonna try a couple things, see if we could get a couple other videos done today. And that's about it for now.